Hi again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of Sumptuous Recipe here at Barbie's Kitchen. Today we'll be making a vegan chocolate cake. This is actually in response to the request of Mother Adele, since today is her cousin's birthday. And I'm actually showing you my baking mold washed with oil. I brushed on all sides, and I'll be putting some baking sheets inside here. It will be easy for us to get the cake later. Alright, so our baking mold is ready, and we'll be coming to get all the ingredients we need. And our oven is already preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Here are our ingredients for a vegan chocolate cake. I've got here 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt. That's for our dry ingredients, and let's go to our wet ingredients. I've got here 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 6 tablespoons of oil, and last we have our 1 cup water. Okay, so to begin with, we just have to combine all our dry ingredients first, all of it. So we have our all-purpose flour, we have our sugar, we have our cocoa powder, baking soda, salt. So we just have to combine all our dry ingredients. Okay, so our dry ingredients are all well combined. So the next thing we're gonna do is to make 3 wells, or just 3 holes here. And let's put in our wet ingredients. I've got here vanilla, I've got here vinegar, I've got here oil, and last, our water. Alright, and again, we just have to fold. Alright, so we have already transferred our cake batter in our mold, and our oven is already preheated to 180 degrees, and we'll put this inside the oven. And we'll have to bake it for 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick is inserted and it comes out clean. We'll check it later.
A few moments later.
I'm not boiling milk for my ganache. I don't have cream with me today, so what I only have is milk. So I'm boiling it. You can use milk, you can use cream, whatever you have. Just let it boil and put in your chocolates.
12 seconds later.
Alright, so while waiting for the cake, I'll bring our chocolates for the ganache later. Okay, I'm cutting around 1 cup of dark chocolate here.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'll be putting in the chocolate now. The milk is already boiling. Just have to mix it till everything is melted and properly combined.
10 seconds later.
Chocolate has melted. I'll put in some butter. This will give shine to the ganache. And we just have to continue mixing it until the butter is melted completely.
20 minutes later.
Okay, our time is up. Let's check our cake now. Let's have a test. If this comes out clean, that means this is already done. It comes out clean, so our cake is done, and we'll take that out from the oven.
10 seconds later.
Okay, our cake has already cooled down a bit, so let's try to check if we can transfer this over to a cooling rack. Let's try to loosen the edges. Transfer this like that, so I can transfer it over to this cooling rack again. It's very important to not to have this cooled on a plate. It's very important to transfer this in a cooling rack so the air from here will get into the cake. Alright, let's wait for this cake to totally cool off so we can put some icing on it. Let's have some frosting in the cake. Alright, so let's get back to this.
12 seconds later.
Our cake has already cooled off, so we'll try to flatten the surface. Let's take this out.
A few moments later.
Making simple sugar syrup, we'll just have to melt this sugar into this water.
One eternity later.
Putting down my ganache here. We don't have to worry on that.
A few inches later.
I will put some sugar water.
A few moments later.
Alright, so this is our finished product, our vegan chocolate moist cake. See? We're able to patch everything earlier. So chocolatey, guys. This has been Barbie, and I'll see you again for our next sumptuous recipes here at Barbie's Kitchen. Bye!